If you trade with a large stop loss, that means you do not have a system that could identify precision entries. I'd like to introduce you to Eric of Spydaytrading, who's our teacher, our mentor. In his Discord, every morning, he prepares us with the market wrap from the day before and what to expect for the day. And as you can see, he identifies the algorithms early and with no bias, bullish algorithms and bearish algorithms. This morning, the market dropped 11 points on the S&P 500. 13 minutes into the trading day, Eric has already identified the algorithms, the bearish algorithms, the orange and the magenta, and he's letting you know, just be patient. If this wants to dump, it will come again. You see his bearish scenario, price going under the 5-day moving average, creating structure, and then looking for a short to go down if the price is going to go down. He's identified the orange and the magenta, which are going to be very important. And the next screenshot I'll show you, a little less than half an hour later, half an hour into the trading day, you see price has started to breach the 5-day moving average. So we know what setup we're looking for. We're looking for a bearish setup. And you have the precision algorithms to guide you. The orange and the magenta algorithms to guide you. Now I'm going to show you a naked chart with no algorithms. All you see is the yellow line is the 5-day moving average and the 20-day moving average is the magenta. You have no way to make precision entries if you don't understand or use the algorithms. Where are you going to take your entry and where are you going to put your stop loss? If you had the ability to have penny perfect algorithms to help you manage your risk, would you look into that? Would you study that? Would you follow that? Would you learn to master that? That's what we're doing daily in the Discord with our community. I'm going to turn on the algorithms now, and you'll see what looks like a lot of lines. To the untrained eye, this looks like a mess or madness. But once you study and you learn how to read structure, understand the algorithms, this will be your biggest edge because it provides precision. As the diagram that Eric drew up, the playbook for the bear scenario, you see price breaching below the 5-day moving average, and you see liquidity being built in the magenta algorithm, creating some structure, and all you're looking for is a good entry. With these algorithms, you have precision entries, more importantly, precision stop losses. You don't have to have a large stop loss if you know to the penny where the market is moving using these algorithms. There was the setup. There's the orange and the magenta algorithms. And you'll see the dump that happens, and you're able to partake in the short because you have precision algorithms to guide you. All the way down, there was no reason to look for longs today. Towards the end of the day, the market rebounded a little bit. But I just want to show you the power of the precision algorithms. The entries, more importantly, your stop losses, your risk management. If you could identify to the penny where the algorithms are and where price may move from, you're able to have a very tight stop loss, which in turn means a very big risk to reward. Keep following, keep watching every day, every single day for the past 4 years. Eric has posted in the Discord community. He's not an influencer, he's not a YouTuber.